Hi everybody, it's coming up to 4 p.m. Brisbane time on Thursday, the 11th of May, and I am out of the ring with Euro Yen. Now, this opponent was a heavy hitter. There was a lot of movement, a lot of kicking and punching, some gasping for air as well, and I'd like to take you through the unfolding of this match. So, first of all, let's go up to the daily chart and have a look. So, when I've recorded the fight card video on the 1st of May, we were actually kept on trading higher. So I redrew the Fibonacci retracement. So the level that I was eyeing around the 148.40 is now clustering with the 61.8% retracement. Now what actually happened is the market kept crashing through this level and kept on going lower as well. But what I still liked about this market is that even though we passed that level, we haven't broken the origin of the move that pushed to a higher high, so we actually made a higher low. So I was still eyeing this level. Now if I'll zoom out a bit, we can see there's also these two touches that happen with these daily candles as well. There's not as strong and there's not the area that they push to a low, but it's still a nice area. So let me just mark it with another line over here. So this is that area, and as you can see, it's around the round number of 148. Now if I'll drill down into the lower time frame and we see how fast and strong the market actually went through that 61.8% retracement, the 148.40 area, it kept on going lower and then it pulled back and started to consolidate in and around the other level, the 148. Now as we can see, a bit of consolidation pushed higher and then pushed lower and got stopped here at the monthly pivot. At this area, I will be drilling down to lower time frame to time my offense. So I was looking for a break above this area and a really nice and sweet tight defense area around this 147.50 zone. Now as you can see, the market broke above that area, pulled back to test it from above and kept on going higher. Now in each of those highs that the market has made, it actually pressed above the previous area that the sellers pushed lower. So I was still quite happy with this scenario. Once we've got to a push and a second push, I basically moved my defense area and pushed the opponent a little bit closer to the rope, and I was sitting in and around here. As you can see, the market nicely continued higher. However, it decided to come all the way down into that origin, very close to my defense line. So we started throwing in some punches around here. It looked alright for a little while and it went through it. A lot of action, a lot of move, and a very small point win on this one. And it was a right decision to move the defense line because as we can see, the market has kept on going lower. Now, interesting point about this one and why I'm still keeping an eye on this opponent. The next level that I'm watching for, and this is really for a weekly perspective, pullback, because as we can see, as the market rolled over here and I got out on my defense line, we made a lower high on the daily chart and here a lower low. So if and when the market will take this area, which is quite a strong area, the next line of resistance is sitting in and around this area. So if we'll take a look at the weekly, we can see that the weekly will be back into its averages as well. It's still a nice uptrend and a very sweet level on the weekly chart. So I'll keep an eye on this opponent. I'm not done with this one yet. After a very exhausting match, I only got out with a very small point win. I'm looking to take a rematch on this one. Happy knockouts everyone. Bye for now.